Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So Mark and I slept super late. Ay, slept late ba? Tama, slept super late and then we woke up at 3 p.m.
Hindi
3 ba? 2? Mga 2. Anyway, we're gonna go to Ippudo. They're launching a new dish, which I have tried already. Pero si Mark, patry pa niya. So yun, we grabbed Uber na. Again, use my code, UberCity ako. Like, kung pinapromote yun, para may free ride kayo. First ride for free. We are now riding Uber. So the venue is gonna be at Uptown Place, BGC, or Uptown Mall, BGC. Yun yung pinakabagong branch ng Ippudo. So they're open na. They're gonna launch the Niku Soba. Yun. Napanood ko na yun, I mean, na-show ko na yun sa vlog nung pumunta kami ng Robinson's Place, Manila. Yung 5 restaurants in 1 day vlog. I'll have the link down in the information box or right over here. Panoorin niyo, bongga yan. Lakas ng ulan kanina, kala ko hindi kami makakaalis kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. I mean, bumili kami ng food kasi nga, we haven't eaten anything today. Kaya bumili kami ng pansit, tapos bumili ako ng Magic Flakes para pang ano lang.
Pantawid gutom ba?
So cute! Look at the doggy! This is
ACS?
cutie! Hi, baby! Mark and I just took a photo with my Fujifilm Instax Mini 8. Ewan ko na, wiwili ako lagi mag-take ng Fujifilm. Di ba ang dami mong picture sa ref ko? Kuya na, mami. So cute. Hindi naman kailangan ganyan nun eh.
Kailangan yan.
Hindi na daw. Hindi. And the bag I'm using for today is my Teddy Blake bag, which is from New York. Ayan, bangga. Ganda siya. I love it. New York. Teddy Blake, New York. I'll have the... Ang arte, New York. Oh,
newspaper. New York. Brand new.
Newmark?
Newmark.
Now here at Uptown Mall, since medyo bago pa siya, wala pa masyadong laman. Pero meron siyang lalola doon, and Mark and I are really hungry, so we're gonna find Tim Ho Wan. Open na daw siya. We're gonna have some pork buns. Pork buns. Bago kumain ng dinner. For my OOTD, I'm just wearing my jacket, and then this top from Topshop. Jeans, and then Birks. And then bag. Yun lang. Tapat niya si Flatiron. Dito ko namin na-meet yung doggy dati.
Kumain na kayo dyan?
Hindi? Here we go! Tim Ho Wan.
Kumain na kayo dyan?
Saan? Di ba? Parang ang sarap ng steak view. We're only here for the buns. Pork buns. Alam mo si Irish gusto matry. Gusto matry.
Ay, hindi pa siya nakatingin.
Hindi ko nga sure eh. Pero nag-comment din siya ng gusto yung buns nga daw. Yes, it's here. Ang bilis. Yummy. Cheers! Sobrang secure ng bag na ito, guys. Nakakaloka. Kasi hindi siya pwedeng masiksikan ng kahit ano. Kasi ganito ba naman yung ano niyo? Ganito ba naman yung opening? Nakakalurks. Anyway, may kukunin lang ako sa bag. So on my face today, I'm using tinted moisturizer from NARS. Sobrang perfect kasi nga tugma na sa skin tone ko. Since hindi pa bumabalik yung natural skin tone ko, medyo tan pa rin ako ng yan. Okay lang naman, pero buti na lang. This one I got from Beauty M&L. Saint Moritz yung shade name niya, medium 1. It's so perfect and I love it. It's very lightweight on the skin, but it still has that coverage that you need. Oh, I was able to upload the vlog yesterday using the Sun Broadband. Pero iniiwan namin ni Mark. Natulog kami ng mga 2. So pagising mo ba? Tapos yung upload?
Wow, umaga pa lang.
Umaga pa lang. So, gumana naman. So, okay din naman siya. As long as it's unlimited and walang cap, okay sa akin. Walang problem sa akin yun. Mine and Mark's photo. It's so cute. Feel. We ordered ano pa? Noodles. Favorite noodles ni Mark. Bigay na. We're walking to Ippudo. Ayan. Sobrang gloomy day. Rainy day talaga sa Pilipinas. Rainy season na talaga. We wanna try this. Flatiron. Parang masarap. Steak chunas eklavu. Okay, so ito lang yung Ippudo. Lapit lang. Sa mismong entrance sa may fountain siya. Ippudo. Now here at Ippudo, guys, we're gonna try out the newest dishes, which is the Niku Soba. Yep. Try namin. Pakita ko lang. Hakata style Niku Soba for only 490 pesos. Yan. With onsen tamago. Pwede na mag-tamago, pwede wala. Ito rin yung bago nila, oh. Nalala mo, Tabi? No. Wagyu Maki Onigiri. Guys, one of their latest dishes is the gyutan. Melt in your mouth Australian beef tongue. Girl, tongue. Nakakaloka. So, I think we're gonna try it. Natry natin, B, no?
Yeah.
Sige. Never pa ako kumain ng tongue, as in ever. So, may ongoing na promo daw ang Ippudo. If you're using a Citibank card, 30% with a minimum purchase of 1,000 pesos worth of food. Ay, girl, bongga yun na, 30%. Buong July. We ordered lemonade. Bottomless lemonade. Guys, this one is the tongue. What's this?
Lemon pepper sauce.
Ooh. Ever. Never pa ako kumain ng lengua, never patol. Pero sabi ni Mark, sarap daw. So, try natin. Maliit lang. We sure ka hindi nakakano, ah.
Yan din. Ito. Sama mo ng cabbage. So.
Oh, sobrang lambot. Iniisip ko lang matang siya kaya medyo na ano. Pero masarap. We're done eating, guys. Super sarap. Anong favorite mo? Ramen. Super sarap talaga. Perfect for a rainy day talaga. Tapos, favorite ko rin yung wagyu beef na...
Ito masarap din yung gyutan. First time ko makakain ng ito.
Ako hindi masyado. Super flavorful, pero hindi ko lang, ayoko lang na tang siya. Kasi inisip ko tang siya eh. Kaya parang naano ko. Pero si Mark nagustuhan niya. First time siya kumain ng tang. Ako rin. Yeah, and what else? Visit Ippudo. I'll have all the branches in the information box. So, ay, wala lang lipstick. Guys, hindi pa kami makaka-uwi. Look at that surge. 2.8 for the regular car. Black car is 3.3 lang naman. So, yun lang naman. Nakaka-lurks. We have Melt Grilled Cheesery. Oh my god, next time we'll try this. Hey, 6 minutes away. We're gonna try the shared car para mas mura. Mahal kasi. So Mark and I are riding Uber Pool. So it's our first time. So hindi lang kami yung ihatid. May isa pang tao. Yun. Nakakatawa naman. P. Anyway, we're gonna end the vlog here so that I can edit again pag agad pala pag uwi. So, yun lang. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow. We got a package, guys. I got this one from Click Shop. Wow, thank you so much. Ito yung favorite kong Sans Rival. Shocks, thank you so much. So, I think you can order this. I'll have the link in the information box. Kailangan daw, i-ano muna. I-freezer daw muna. Yay! Wait lang, asan yung note? Ito. This is the note. Hi, Miss Say. Thanks for being our inspiration. Oh, so sweet. Wait. Thanks and enjoy. God bless. From Click Shop Vibra. Ayan. I'll put their number in the information box. Thank you! Ay, ko sa freezer ko para bongga. Yes!